Hello children, we started our fifth lesson air, water and weather till sea breeze and land breeze we finished in the previous class, and today we are discussing about water. And in third standard you learned a lesson matter and its properties, and water is a matter. It is made of molecules, and usually we can see water in liquid form, okay? And there are three states of matter, which are the solid, liquid, gas. And see, most of our earth's surface is covered with water. That means if our earth is made up of land and water, it's 70% water and 30% only land. And this water we can see in different water bodies like ocean, pond, river, lake, etc. And water can change its states on cooling and heating. On heating you learned in your third standard. On heating it evaporates and changes into water vapor, and water vapor is a gas. And on cooling water freezes and changes into solid. That is, this water vapor also on cooling it changes into water again. So it can change its states. Then first we are discussing about evaporation. Due to the heat of the sun, the water in the water bodies evaporate, and evaporation is taking place. And there are four factors affecting evaporation. It is given in the next page. The weather is, if the weather is windy, and if the air is dry, if the temperature is high, or the exposed surface of water is large. In ocean and all, the surface of water is large, so it increases the rate of evaporation. It faster the evaporation, okay, the process evaporation. Then what is evaporation? The change of water into water vapor on heating is called evaporation. The process of change of water on heating into water vapor is called evaporation. All of you underline this and learn what is evaporation. And if the evaporation increases, the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere increases. That we learned yesterday. Atmosphere lalla water vapor inde alavu koodum. So what we can say? Humidity increases. The amount of water vapor in the atmosphere is called what? Humidity. So if the evaporation rate increases, then the humidity increases. Okay. Then one activity is given in your textbook. Take two bowls with same quantity of water in them, and keep one bowl under the fan and another bowl keep away from the fan. Then what do you think? Which bowl, the water in which bowl evaporates faster? Yes, which we kept under the fan. There is wind. So wind influences the speed of evaporation. The next one more activity is given. Take two bowls with same quantity of water in them. Keep one in direct sunlight and the other in shade. Watch after 2 hours. Then you can see the water in the shade evaporates slower than that which we kept under the sunlight. So there is heat. That is, the temperature is high. So we can say the temperature also influences the evaporation rate, means the speed of evaporation. So from these two experiments we can say wind and temperature increases the rate of evaporation or speed of evaporation. And today you have to learn what is evaporation. And this much only today we have covered in the class. So all of you read up to this. Those who came to the class today also, most of them without learning, most of them came to the class. So you should learn regularly. Okay, then let us see multiple choice questions. Which of the following does not affect weather? Humidity, temperature, moon. The answer is, moon. And when the air becomes hot, it becomes lighter, becomes heavier, remains the same, becomes lighter. So all of you read up to this, and today you have to learn what is evaporation and what are the factors affecting or determining the rate of evaporation, that is the speed of evaporation. That 4 factors are given. The weather is windy, the temperature is high, the air is dry, the exposed surface of water is large. All of you fill this multiple choice question and read this lesson from the beginning itself. What is weather? What are the factors affecting weather? And humidity, and today evaporation, and what are the factors affecting evaporation. All these you should learn from the text itself. Okay.